When discussing parasitic infections, we often refer to worm infestations. Ascariasis, for instance, is the largest roundworm found in humans and can migrate to various body parts, including the lungs, causing cough and asthma-like symptoms, and, though rarely, to the brain, potentially resulting in seizures. Another notable infection is hookworm, which enters the human body through the feet, then migrates to the lungs and intestines. There are parasites which do not look like classical worms, for example trichomoniasis, a sexually transmitted parasitic infection, and toxoplasmosis, which can cause brain symptoms especially in immunocompromised individuals, are also significant. We will explore supplements known to combat these common parasites. Historically recognized for its antimicrobial properties, garlic contains allicin, a broad-spectrum antimicrobial and antiparasitic agent. It is particularly effective when crushed or chopped, as this process releases sulfur compounds that interfere with the metabolism of parasites and inhibit their growth. Garlic is notably effective against roundworms, tapeworms, and Giardia. However, the duration of its effectiveness and the evidence supporting its use are not well established. Regular use of garlic in cooking is considered safe and beneficial, despite potential side effects such as bad breath, heartburn, and gastrointestinal irritation. Consuming 1 to 2 cloves of garlic daily is deemed most beneficial. Although cooking can reduce its allicin content, it still retains some degree of benefit. Pumpkin seeds are recognized for their antiparasitic properties, primarily due to cucurbitacin, an antiparasitic compound. Research indicates their effectiveness against roundworms and tapeworms. Since roasting diminishes cucurbitacin levels, consuming them fresh and raw is more beneficial. Incorporating a moderate amount of pumpkin seeds into a balanced diet is safe and effective. High in fiber, they can sometimes cause gas and bloating, thus, starting with small amounts is advisable to allow the body to adjust. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, such as lauric acid, known for their antimicrobial and antiparasitic effects, also proving effective against viruses and bacteria. Virgin or extra virgin coconut oil, which is minimally processed, retains more antioxidants and beneficial compounds, enhancing its health benefits. It's suitable for adding to salads or smoothies, with virgin or extra virgin types being preferable due to their lower refinement. Turmeric, known for its antimicrobial and antiparasitic properties, is also anti-inflammatory. It disrupts the enzymes and proteins crucial for parasite survival. While turmeric can be consumed as a supplement or used as a spice in cooking, high doses or long-term use may lead to gastrointestinal side effects. Pomegranate is another potent antiparasitic food, best consumed fresh to maximize the intake of elagitanins, which degrade parasitic proteins. The peel contains the highest concentration of these compounds, available in supplement form for a more concentrated intake. Direct consumption of the peel is not advised due to its rough texture and potential to cause gastrointestinal irritation. It's better consumed as tea or an extract. Pineapple is recognized for its antiparasitic action due to the enzyme bromelain, which breaks down proteins and may help combat intestinal parasites. Lastly, ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties, also exhibits antimicrobial and antiparasitic potential, particularly against Giardia and certain roundworms. Its long-standing use in traditional medicine underscores its therapeutic benefits.